All right, again, a cold mess moving in, and areas that fall below freezing today. Some of us, I think northeast Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas may not get back above freezing until the middle part of next week, Wednesday at the earliest, it looks like. So very cold weather heading our way. Not only cold temperatures, but cold wind chills. We're talking single digits to teen wind chills will be possible today already, not just in the next couple days, but today. So make sure you take care of yourself, bundle up, cover exposed skin, so that way you're not seeing any issues there. We had the severe weather part of the storm system push through. That is off towards the east now. Lots of severe weather reports. Some of you may not even know that until the next hour or so when we get a little bit more light, but we did have 50 to 70 mile per hour gusts. This band of storms that came through northwest Arkansas was the strongest. Lots of hail reports. Again, strong winds, lots of damage to fences, trees, and branches and stuff for sure. So some of us dealing with that. Now we're dealing with the cold air. Now we're dealing with the slick spot potential. Pretty much all of 5 country under a winter weather advisory except for Scott County. We've got this band developing here. That's what we were saying earlier this morning. We've got a wave of energy that's going to come through, some extra lift, squeezing out as much moisture as it can. You've seen our shot there. We're going to have it again coming up, but meteorologist Stephen Elmore alongside meteorologist Bella Grace driving down I-49. It's around 29, 30 degrees in the mountains, and we have got some freezing rain, sleet, snow mix coming down. Very wet roads here as temperatures continue to fall. Best chance for icing on roads and bridges right now is in the mountains. We can't roll out some freezing with the light snow right now for Fayetteville North. It's mostly just some light snow. Can't roll out a slick spot with that as it continues for the next couple hours, but more or less concerned about the leftover water from last night's storms. That freezing. It's not widespread. The winds have helped dry out some of the roads, but there are the potential for maybe little black ice patchy spots with some of that. Oh, there you go. As I say that, now all of 5 country is going to be under this winter weather advisory. It looks like Little Rock is added, Scott County. So with this band coming through, can't roll out some slick spots, some wet roads, falling temperatures, freezing that moisture on the roads. We're down to 33 right now in Fayetteville. I think we've probably even dropped further than that in the last 15 minutes. We're 29, 30 in the mountains. We're down to 28 in Bentonville at the last update. That was around 15 minutes ago. Wouldn't be shocked if we're 26, 27. Freezing mark there in Poto. Going to continue to fall as that snow comes in. Roads could get a little wet, and then temperatures could help freeze the moisture there. Wind chills are going to continue to drop for us. Winds today, also a part of the problem. We've got wind advisories out, gusts to 45 miles per hour. Here's your sustained winds as we go through the day, 20, 25 miles per hour. We're going to continue to bottom out through mid-morning, 9, 10 o'clock. If you don't get any meaningful snow between now and then, you're not going to get any snow for today. You'll have to wait till our next chance on Sunday. Bottoming out into the 20s, well below freezing here, River Valley, and then we're going to look for the clouds to try to break up, get some sunshine in. River Valley has the best chance to see a little more sunshine later this afternoon and try to rebound into the upper 20s for northwest Arkansas. May get into those lower 30s in the River Valley. So again, we're tracking that band of snow, really 2 areas, trying to close in the gap right now in the River Valley, but we've got some snow that's going to linger for the next couple of hours. I-49 corridor, especially off towards the east. We've kind of lowered it a little bit, kind of what we saw the other day. It's more light to moderate snow at times. We're looking at a dusting, maybe up to a ½ inch, but wet roads, freezing temperatures could give us more slick spots. Not so much worried about snow accumulation with this at all. We're just talking about wet roads and dropping temperatures into the lower to mid 20s, dusting overall off towards the south with the potential of slick roads as well. Wind chills, as I mentioned, a big part of today's story. We're going to be dropping those down into the single digits and teens. So as you head out this morning into the afternoon, expect those single digits and teens to pretty much linger the entire day. Again, areas of northwest Arkansas, northeast Oklahoma may not get back above freezing until the middle part of next week. We've got several days there below freezing. Teens, single digit lows, wind chills below 0 will be possible at times as winds pick up this weekend. Next chance for snow still on track to come in the back half of the day Sunday, especially by Sunday late afternoon, evening, moving out of Oklahoma into Arkansas, and that could accumulate. We're thinking right now, feel comfortable saying about 1 to 3 inches is what it's looking like. We'll have to continue to watch the track of it and the speed and how long it lingers, the intensity, but 1 to 3 inches widespread is what we're looking at.